ke kua no ki la, ki o maupo'e, no ki kākou ana I ka halawa. Mahalo ke kua. Keep us safe. Thank you. Mahalo.
Amen.
Okay, gang, have a great day.
So, just I heard from my friend Ken that Chef Hui was harvesting his lettuce that he couldn't sell. So I said, hey, I got a lot of tomatoes I can't sell, so someone should come and take them. It's definitely affected our business. We've lost a lot of our wholesale and restaurant customers. I mean, not a lot, all of them. And even news from some of our restaurant customers that they will be shutting down permanently.
Yeah, totally. What do you learn from this whole experience?
Which one? This one or just life, just COVID?
Yeah, this last few months have seemed extra weird.
Justin, answer this one.
Justin?
What have you learned from the past few months?
I think one of the biggest things is that when people have access to local food, they'll take it. So I think the biggest thing going forward is for our distributors to learn that they just need to make it available. They need to be helping out the local farmer and are the people of Hawaii.
Boom, bam. How can the community, this is a question for both of you, how can the community as a whole help you guys out as farmers here and also the future of farming here in Hawaii?
The community can definitely help us out by continuing to support local, by looking for that local product, asking for it in the stores. You know, in the restaurants, when you see the local product, try it. Give us a shot. Give the farmers a shot and the chefs a shot with it.
Anything to add?
Yeah, please come out to the farm when we have activities like this and, come and see how we're growing your food. Yeah, and bring the kids out.
Hey,
Hey, Coach.
Lakain, we just picked about 150 pounds of cherry tomatoes from Whole Farms. What's up?
Shit, really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You want?
Yeah, I mean, I would definitely appreciate that.
Okay, we're coming. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
All right. See you soon.
Yeah.